Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I hope all of you are doing your bit to be okay. You know, every one of us have a different journey, but whatever it is that we're dealing with, we have to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for patience and sabr and make the best of every moment. I know, there's some of us that have it really tough out there, and trust me, my sisters, trust me, my viewers, every one of us has our challenges in different ways. Sometimes it's silent challenges that no one sees, but just you. So, whatever it is, have sabr, have patience, talk to your Creator, whoever you believe in. Talk to God. You got to keep God close to you in your heart, and everything else will become secondary. So talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and everything will be made easier for you. And trust me, my viewers, if you are challenged now, you are going to get better later. There's no question about that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promises that. You know, bear, don't question, have patience, and results will come. So it will come. So today I am excited. I have this really beautiful scarf on, and it's full coverage, and I can't wait to show you how I got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's so pretty, so pretty, and I'm excited to show you how I got this look. So stay with me, don't go where. It's supposed to be a very quick tutorial, and you'll be amazed at how quick you can get this really beautiful full coverage look very quickly. So stay with me. Well, my dear viewers, I'm going to show you how I got that look. What a beautiful look, what a beautiful scarf, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So excited. So here it is. That's our scarf. It's a square scarf. Ta-da! It's a square scarf. Can you believe it? It's a square scarf. And we're going to wrap this and make it look so presentable that you will wonder, why do you not wear your square scarves? And what I've done, because it's a bit of a you know, it's a nice size hijab. It's a really nice size. So I fold it evenly, because I don't need to leave extras for it to have a length in the back. So here we go. And we're going to take one end of the scarf, and I have my Ninja to cover for coverage, and just to add some colors to my beautiful scarf, I've got this beautiful cap on. It's got the crisscross in the front. I'm not sure if I'm going to let it show, but for now it's so beautiful. The color is just beautiful, beautiful. And I'm wearing this really beautiful dress today. I'm so excited. Because, you know, every so often you feel like getting dressed up. And today is one of those days. So here we go. I want to get this done really quickly. So we're going to use the very short, very little. And we're going to, I'm going to let it show a little bit. What do you think? We should? Okay, so we're just going to put some pressure and fold that in. That's it. And we're going to use a safety pin, and we're going to pin that. And don't wonder about that. We're going to have that covered in a minute. So I'm going to take two little stick pins, and I'm going to really secure that, because I want it looking nice and neat. And here you go, right here. And another one for the other side. It's so pretty. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, and what we're going to do is pull all of that fabric into the front of the other side of the scarf. And just going to wrap it. My dear viewers, this is so simple and so easy. And all I'm going to do today is I'm going to wrap it and I'm going to leave it flowing in the back. So I'm just going to put one stick pin here. And that's one of the longer ones. And now all we're going to do is fix up the front so it falls nicely. See how much coverage we have there? You see that? How beautiful that is? And because I like everything in place, I'm going to put 2 little stick pins on both sides. And usually the trick is to try and get it onto the strap, so it stays tight and it doesn't move at all. How beautiful is that? It's gorgeous, my dear viewers. Simple, easy, and very quick. How is that? How beautiful is that? It's got coverage in the back. Everything is covered here, nothing showing, and we have full coverage. How beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My dear viewers, that wasn't very long at all. And if you don't want that, the cap showing, you don't have to. You can pull it down and just cover it up. I'm just going to leave it like that because I like a little bit of a contrast there. Everything contrasts with the dress, so it looks a little bit spicier. You know what I mean? So here we go. I didn't want it to be long for us today. And it's so beautiful. 1 stick pin, 2 there. I've put 2 there just to, you don't necessarily, because it will stay in place, but I like everything in place. When I leave the home and I get back, it must be in place. All right, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that because I enjoy bringing it to you. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful and it does not take a lot of effort, just very minimal. And you've got this beautiful look and full coverage. So if you like what you saw, hit the like button. And do, my viewers, share it with your friends and family. That's how we're going to build this platform, and that's how we're going to help more and more sisters out there to help, you know, to give them a little bit of a push if they want to wear the hijab, to see how simple it is to put it on. Very, very easy. So please share it with your friends and family. And if one person gets, you know, that call to wear the hijab or to do it better, you are going to be blessed for that. So, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell. Just hit the bell button and click on all so that you will get all the uploads. You'll get a notification for all of my uploads. My dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed that today. And until we meet again, do stay safe. Do your bit. Always do your bit to stay safe. We have to cover up now. It's mandatory to wear a mask, so you must wear a mask. You know, it's easy for us who are hijabis. It's very, I'm telling you, the other day I was going into the shop and I didn't have a mask on, and all I did was I put my hijab and I covered myself. It's so easy. So please do stay safe, take care, and enjoy and make the best of every moment, because a moment lost is a moment gone. We can't get it back. So take care. This is 𝗙cie. Assalamu alaikum.